Wait lang guys. Lock natin dito. Ay! Oh. Tiyan mo na puteng. Tara.
Hoy! Ano ba? Ay, ako. Wow, daming kalabaw. Tingnan mo, de, oh.
Kasi kapares yun.
Ano kinakain nila?
Damo.
So you talk to them again. We're going to the second farm. We're getting calamansi. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Ingay mo. Narinig ka na. Padaan lang. Yoksyo. Yan na, loko, yan na. Hey, shh.
Barkada yun.
Hindi man. Hoy, putot, come here na. We're walking and walking again. Hindi tayo nagdala ng ano? Walis. We've got to bring walis, guys. So I can make a walis over here. Oh, what happened? Daddy will open the gate. And here is our farm too. There, hold it. Let's do this. Wow. Oh, we have a banana over here. Look. There are bananas. Over there. Meron pa yun, isa pa. Dalawa na yung banana. Hala na. Ayun, may isa pa pala dun, oh. May puso pa. Mukha ng kalamansi si Daddy. Nag-video ka din doon?
Saan?
Nung kumuha kang kalamansi?
Hindi.
Why?
I don't have taga-video.
You can do it. So, here is our farm too, guys. Yan. We have a lot of trees again over here. Everything is green. Green grass of hope. You see that? And they growing so fast, so tall. So very tall. Daddy is here. Daddy, anong puno yan, no? Ah, wala na, de. Sira na pala.
Ano yun?
Ayun na yung puno na yun. Na?
Ano? Puta na matay.
Bakit?
Lobo yung lobo.
Tabi-tabi po.
Kaya mag-ibato.
Pagkakuan, paano mo na? Sabi mo, pag ano?
Magigibay bakod natin.
Paano yun? Namatay, no? Day, no? Sa baba.
Kinain ng apoy.
Nagsunog. Di man natin sila nagsusunog dyan, eh. Nagsusunog ba sila dyan?
Delikado yan.
May bahay pa mo dun, no? Hindi ba matatamaan yung bahay dun?
Malayo.
Masisira lang ang bakod natin. Pakita natin. Ito, guys, look. Na ano yung ano? Anong tawag dyan? Tabi-tabi po. Tabi po. Yung puno nasira. Oh. Tabi po. Nawala yung laman. Ayan o. Pag pinutol yan, na siya mababaksak. Masisira yung bakod. Gagawa ulit ng another bakod. Hoy! Why you're here? You have friends, ha? Lalaki pa mo yung friends niya, daddy. Ayan, guys. Ano kasing puno yan, de? Hindi rin alam natin kung anong puno yan. Ito ang ating... Ooh, laki ng kalamansi, oh. It's our calamansi. We have mulberry over here. And some coconut. And I don't know what is the tree is that. Huh? What? Look, ito, daming ano. Madami ring bunga. You speak English, Daddy?
I
Used to be a team. Now in a party and something now. That's our ano. Anong saging to, de? Yung sabi mo? Matampuhin. Tama ba?
Tampuhin.
Ano ba to? Tampuhin. It's a tampuhin banana. Ano English ng tampuhin?
Very shy.
We have a lot of bananas like that. Tampuhin. Well, ayun! We have a ano? What you call that, Daddy? Saging saba. I want that, guys. Yan, we have a saging saba over there. Di ba kaya pwede yun? Yeah. Tabi-tabi po. There, guys. Oh. It's a saging saba. I cannot zoom it. And over there, we have a saging saba rin nata yun. Okay, let's go back to Daddy. Let's make some kwentuhan. Daddy, you talk to them.
I talk to you, I talk to them.
You talk to them.
You talk to me.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Look in the phone. Ano daw? We get a lot of calamansi. And we're going to sell it.
50 pesos. 30.
I don't know. Ang tawag dun de? I don't know how much is the kilo of calamansi. But I'm going to sell it 1/4 20 pesos. It's too much, Daddy?
It's not that much. I'll sell it 100 pesos
Per kilo?
per piece.
Per piece? Oh, it's too much, Daddy.
So I don't have money.
They will not gonna buy that if you gonna sell that 100 pesos per piece. I'm right? I'm wrong.
Right.
Right.
You're very, very right.
Yes, I'm always right.
No, you're not always.
Why?
Because I am always.
Edi wow. Edi ikaw na.
Edi wow.
Di takta ba tayo? Edi wow. Edi wow. Edi wow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Edi wow.
Baliw na. Dahil po sa bagbablog.
Isang babae na baliw. Kinakausap niya yung ano, subscriber.
It's already kilo.
Guys, mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel namin. Konti na lang, magwa 1,000 na kami. Sasahod na kami. Pag sumahod na kami, we will gonna share our ano, what you call that, Daddy? Our sahod. Yee!
You will help.
That's why you subscribe, everyone. as your friends, your family, relatives, everything and anything. Subscribe us,
You're so
Larry Farm.
good at English, ha?
Yeah. I'm practicing. I'm practicing, so I will go to America.
We're in America.
I will go to everywhere. I'm gonna think it where I'm gonna going. Daddy, you're laughing.
No, I'm not laughing.
You're laughing at me eh. I'm just singing lang eh. Oh, ano daw? Oh, ito yung nakuha ni Daddy. Look. We have a lot of calamansi. Calamansi kayo dyan. Oh, this.
Calamansi in English.
Calamansi.
No.
What?
You
Ano?
know what?
What nga eh?
Melon.
No?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Oh, what? Wala.
Calamansi. Alam ang English yung calamansi. Calamansi nagkatalo lang sa spelling.
Nabigyan mo na to? Sirano, babagsak na to.
Yes. Nabidyo ko na. Ayan o. Ayan.
Umupoy pala. Nakidlatan siguro.
Paano?
Sunog yung loob.
Oo nga. Ayan. Nawala yung ano, laman.
Na? Mababali yun.
Paano yan? Sa Sabado? Sa Linggo? Yan guys. Look. Di alam ni Daddy how he gonna solve it. Oh, we have another saging asaba over there. We have a lot of saging asaba. And saging atampuhin. Tampuhin, parang si Mami. Tampuhin. Hindi naman ako nilalambing neto. Oh. Pag nagtatampo.
It's already dead.
You have to cut it, Daddy, but if you're gonna cut it, they will gonna damage everything here, Daddy. Am I right? Am I wrong?
Ma.
Right.
Ma.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of bata over there. We can't see because our tree is very tall na. Look, you don't see the mountain. Oh, it's very high. I will go here. Daddy, ito pa, meron pa sa baba, hindi mo pa kinuha. Ayun oh. Hindi mo kunin. Nasa yung panggupit eh. Masisira. Kunin mo na. Kinakagat na ako ng lamok.
Hanggat malinis.
Kinakagat na ako ng mosquito, guys. Oh. Where?
Sige.
Ano sige?
Baka dyan malinis naman.
Pag ako nahulog ah. Oh. Hey! Shh! She! Daddy, paalisin mo nga siyang nang putot. She! Shh! Hey! Go there! Oh, we have a saging tampuhin. Buti pa ang saging may puso. Ay, puso! Let's go here. Tabi-tabi po. Wow, it's so very clean over here, ah. Look. Oh, we have a lot of trees and saging and nabuko and everywhere. Yan guys, so. Look, we have a taguling over here. Oh. We have a lot of coconut tree and a banana tree. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn around, guys, so you could see everything in our farm too. Look. see that? We have a lot of plants here. Everywhere, everywhere. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what happened to the papaya, Daddy? Wala palang water masyado dito na, de. Yun doon, de. Sa atin pa yun doon. Yun, sa baba. Madamo pa, no? Ayan, guys. Oh, saan ba tayo? Where we go next? Let's go here. Tabi po. Tabi po. Ay, tabi-tabi po. Oo, meron pa tayong saging doon, oh. Tampuhin.
Matampuhin.
Matampuhin. You know, guys? Ikaw naman mag-explain. Daddy, you explain.
You know, guys,
This
this is
one. This two.
the water is coming from the top.
Tagalogin na namin, guys, ha? Dati, guys, yung lupa dito is very soft because walang taguling na ganyan. But now, it's hard now. Look, I'm not, oh, Daddy, you jump. Oh, it's not moving like a bed.
Yes.
Now, it's ano. Oy. Uy, mahulog ka. May bayabas din pala rito. Guweba. Hindi pa siya guyaba. Ano ang tawag sa...
Guava.
Guava. I'm sorry. Pardon again. It's guava! Kapatid eh. I'm itchy, Daddy! Oh, look! I have a kagat of mosquito, oh. It's so very malamok na. Ay, ayoko na dyan, de. Malaglag ako. Tignan mo, merong ano dun. Ah! Ay, kalabaw. Ito, malambot. Let's walk. Walk, walk. Ay, kalabaw. Ay, ay, ay! Ay, Daddy! Yan. Hanggang saan yung atin yan? Malaki pala dito. Mas mahaba to kaysa dun sa ano, bahay natin. Oo nga, no? Mas mahaba to, guys. Bye tayo. That's all for today's video, guys. See you to our next vlog. Have a nice day. Have a nice life. Bye-bye. Daddy, close it.